Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for an easy-to-use video editing tool that does a lot without being complicated, you're in the right place. Today, we're exploring MiniTool MovieMaker, a fantastic software that makes video editing super simple, even if you're a total beginner. Let's kick things off by checking out MiniTool MovieMaker. We'll do a quick tour of its user-friendly interface, explore some cool features, and discover a few hidden tricks that make editing a breeze. First things first, let's get MiniTool MovieMaker onto your computer. Head over to their official website and download the software. It only takes a few clicks. After you've downloaded it, install it and open the program. You'll be greeted with a clean, easy-to-navigate interface that makes editing a pleasure. Now, let's jump right into creating your first video. Start by selecting the aspect ratio for your video and then click on New Project to begin. Step 1. Importing your media. Click on Import Media Files to add your videos, images, and even music. MiniTool MovieMaker supports a ton of different formats, so you're good to go with whatever you've got. With your media loaded, it's time to start editing. Drag your clips to the timeline and arrange them how you like. Want to add some music? Click on the audio button at the top. MiniTool MovieMaker even has pre-saved audio tracks for you to choose from. Just click, and the audio is automatically added to your video.
Notice how the background music sets the tone and adds emotion to your clips. Whether you're going for something upbeat, dramatic, or chill, the right audio can make a world of difference. It really pulls the whole video together, doesn't it?
Adding titles or captions is just as easy. Click on the text button and you'll see a variety of text styles. Hover over them to preview what they look like. Let's create a caption together. Just click on a style, place it where you want, and customize the text. It's that simple.
See how adding a caption makes your video clearer and more engaging. Whether you're sharing a message, giving context, or just adding a fun touch, captions are a simple but powerful tool. Let's add another caption, but with a different style this time. Pick a new style, place it on your video, and customize the text. It's that simple. Yet it adds so much personality to your video. Captions really help your audience follow along and make your video more interactive. It's like giving your video a voice beyond the visuals. Now, let's make your video more exciting with transitions. Transitions are the cool effects that happen when you move from one scene to the next. Click on the transition button and you'll see all sorts of options. Just hover over them to see a preview. Let's try adding the paper cut transition. Drag it between two clips on your timeline and watch how smoothly it moves from one scene to the next. Transitions can really make your video flow better and keep your audience engaged. See how smooth that transition was? It's a small touch, but it makes a big difference in how professional your video looks. Let's try another one from the light category to see how different transitions can set different moods. Each transition adds a unique feel to your video. Whether you want something subtle or dramatic, there's a transition for every style. Now, let's explore effects and filters to add some flair to your video. Click on the Effects button to see the different effects available. Effects can change the look and feel of your video instantly. Pick one you like and drag it onto your clip. Look at how the effect transforms your video. It's like adding a magic touch that changes the mood or gives your video a unique look. Filters are another great tool to enhance your video. Click on Filters to see all the options. Filters let you change the colors in your video, making it look warmer, cooler, more vibrant, or even vintage. Try adding a filter to see how it changes the overall vibe. It's amazing how much a filter can do. Sometimes, it's all you need to make your video stand out. Don't forget about elements. They're like the cherry on top. Elements are fun little extras like arrows, emojis, and icons that you can add to your video. Click on the Elements button, pick one you like, and drag it onto your video. See how the element adds a playful or informative touch. It's a great way to highlight something important or just add some fun to your video. Finally, let's add some motion to bring your video to life. Motion effects make your clips move in different ways, like zooming in or panning across the screen. Click on the Motion button, choose a style, and add it to your clip. Watch how the motion adds energy and dynamism to your video. It's like giving your video a little bit of extra personality and movement, making it more engaging to watch. Once you've finished editing, it's time to export your masterpiece. Click the Export button, choose where to save your video, pick the format, resolution, and frame rate you want, and hit Export again. Your video will be saved to your computer. Ready to share. Let's take a look at the final result. Amazing, isn't it? The effects, filters, captions, and transitions all work together to create a video that's polished and eye-catching. So why not give MiniTool MovieMaker a try? It's an awesome tool for turning your video ideas into reality. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!